We're going to show you how easy it is to build a secure .NET or Java application using the Crypteron Security Framework. I've opened Visual Studio, created a new ASP.NET project, and selected the MVC template. Right out of the box, as soon as I hit run, we get a functional website with an account system. Users can log in, register, and manage their account. Now let's go ahead and add a social security number to the user account. We'll add this new property to the application user entity class. We'll have to update the view model, and controller as well, but I'm going to fast forward through that so we can skip right to the part where we add the Crypteron Security Framework. We can now enter in a social security number during registration and view it when managing our account, but let's take a look at the database. The social security number is stored as clear text. This is not secure or compliant. Anyone who gains access to this database can view this sensitive information. This is where the Crypteron Security Framework comes into play. We start by adding it to our project using the NuGet package manager. After searching for Crypteron, we select CipherDB, which is a part of the framework that secures information stored in a database. If we were instead dealing with file uploads, we'd choose CipherStore. Java users can find CipherDB using Maven instead of NuGet. When the installation completes, you're redirected to our Quick Start guide, which includes a link to register with Crypteron. Registration only takes a minute. After verifying your email address, you'll be able to log in to the Crypteron dashboard. You can then pull up the details for the default app that we created for you. In order to link this app with your actual code, you'll need to locate the app secret from the details page and copy it to your clipboard. The app secret gets pasted into the web.config or app.config file of your project. The NuGet installer creates a placeholder for you so it's easy to find. Java users can paste the same app secret into the persistence.xml file used by JPA. In order to hook CipherDB into our application user entity class, we create a new CipherDB session within the database context constructor. Finally, we simply add a secure attribute to any properties that need to be secured. The process for Java users is just as simple. Instead of attributes, we'll add secure annotations. And that's it. The application functions exactly as it did before, with users entering a social security number during registration. However, when you look at the database now, you'll see that the social security number is automatically secured with AES encryption. Anyone who gains access to the database would only see junk data. If we jump back to the front end, we can see that decryption happens automatically as well. You can control exactly what you want your users to see and not trust anything or anyone outside of your application, and all with just a couple of lines of code.